Do you know your Galaxy Watch has this fantastic voice recording feature that lets you record live voice, convert speech to text, transcribe,
Quick, brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
translate, and then transfer all those recordings to your phone? We're here to show you how to use voice recorder on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. For that, swipe up your watch screen. Look for the voice recorder app. Don't worry, it's a pre-installed app, you'll find it. Tap on it. Now usually it's selected to standard. That means only your voice will be recorded. To record anything, just tap on this red button. For example, I'm going to record the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. When you're done, either pause or stop recording. You'll end up in this recording list and you can play your recorded voice right from here. If you go back to the recording section and if you tap on this T and enable this option, you'll have the speech to text option. And as you can see, you can convert up to 10 minutes of speech into text in any language. That means if you tap on it, you'll see it's automatically selected to English. But from this list of languages down below, if you select any language, your speech will be recorded and translated into that language. After selecting language, record your voice, and you'll end up in this list again. You'll see your recording as Memo. If you tap on it, you'll get to see the transcribe of your voice, and you can also play your voice by tapping on play. Now, if you want to have a clear recording, make sure your microphone section on your watch is not blocked by anything, okay? And you're good to go. And not just that, all your recordings and translated text will automatically transfer to the phone's voice recorder that's paired to your watch through the wearable app. And you can further edit it from there. If you don't find your recordings in your phone, just open your wearable app. From watch settings, scroll down to apps, to app settings, to voice recorder, and make sure auto copy to phone and auto transfer option is on and select it to always. And that's how you can record your voice, transcribe, translate, and send it to your phone from your Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Thanks for watching.